With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
The question is, one of the constituents of baking powder is sodium hydrogen carbonate and the other constituent is. Baking powder is basically made of NaHCO3, which is a sodium hydrogen carbonate, which is baking soda. Okay, which is actually baking soda, right? Along with a small amount of mild edible acid, which is tartaric acid. Okay, so it is along with a small amount of tartaric acid. So what happens is actually when water is added to baking powder, right, for making cakes or breads, what happens is when the water is added to baking powder, the sodium hydrogen carbonate reacts with tartaric acid and leads to the liberation of carbon dioxide gas, which actually fluffs up the cakes and breads. That is due to the liberation of carbon dioxide gas on addition of water to baking powder, which actually consists of sodium hydrogen carbonate, which is baking soda, and tartaric acid. Okay, so the correct answer and the correct constituent that is present along with sodium hydrogen carbonate is tartaric acid, which is option number 2, and that's the correct answer for this question.
For class 6 to 12, ITG and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.